Hi Anime Crafters! So today we're going to be making a miniature assassination classroom. I'm making it with this DIY kit. It has a miniature classroom, so it kind of makes it a little easier. I hope that you enjoy this video. We'll start with making the box, so on to the video. First, I put some glue on the miniature room walls, and then I paste the wallpaper on both sides. I used the wallpaper for the front from the box, and then I designed my own wallpaper to place inside the room. I'll do these for all three walls, and I'll also do the floor of the room. Then I'll put all the walls up. I use super glue on all the edges. This can be a little difficult to align right, so I take my time. Then we're going to start on our furniture. The first furniture we make is the chalkboard. I printed out an image of an assassination classroom chalkboard, and then I border it with small wooden pieces. I spray painted all the furniture brown early on, since the classroom in Assassination Classroom is very brown. Our next step is to do the podium and the bookshelf. They were pretty easy to do, but I did make the bookshelf slightly crooked. I add accessories to the bookshelf later on. The chairs are next. I shoved the seat part into the back and then glued it. Then I glued the legs to the bottom. I repeated these steps for all of the chairs. Then to the desk, I glued the back and then the legs to the top of the desk. Then I waited for it to dry for a few minutes before gluing the two bottom pieces. Here's where things started getting a little complicated. I tried to make a bunch of book bags similar to the Assassination Classroom book bags, but they turned out not looking so great. I used a template from the box, and then I glued it to white fabric, cut it out, glued it together. I then added black straps and a piece of black fabric to the bottom. I have the full shot of it done at the end of the video. I also made Koro-Sensei's guidebooks for the desk. I think they're really cute. So now on to putting it all together. Among the things that I made for this, I also made a clay version of Ritsu, the Assassination Classroom computer, as you can see here. Thanks so much for watching my Miniature Assassination Classroom recreation. I had so much fun making it. If you'd like to see me make more miniature rooms, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see a previous miniature room I made a miniature deku room. I'll put a link over here. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!
Anime Crafty.